Hi everybody, this is a video of the Fusion 250 watt metal halide light bulb. As you can see here, this is the metal halide bulb I got from the shop today, as well as the high pressure sodium one at 250 watts. Yeah, and on here, on the very top, it says Fusion lamps 250 watts, and it's a E40, and it lasts 15,000 hours, depends how often you use it, and it's got 4500 Kelvin. And it lasts, and it's got 18,000 lumen, and it says Joule plus minus metal halide EDHP IE 250p. That's what it says on it. So does it say anything else on it? No, it's just the same thing. Anyway, it says on the bottom www.fusionlamps.co.uk, and there's the barcode on it, and it says on the instructions to be used in conjunction with ballast type MBFU or SON. Igniter required, yes. Capacitor MBFU 20 MFD, yeah. And it says SON 30 MFD. Note, lamp must be used in an enclosed fixture with a with a glass front. And that's usually in a factory, and that's on Energy A as well. And it's got 18,000 lumen. And it says instructions for use are packed in outer carton. And it's got this crossed out bin. It's on Energy A. So anyway, guys, I'm going to get it out of its box, and you'll see in 1 second or two. So I'm just going to get this bulb out. So got it now. There we are. Put its box on the breakfast tea table and everything. So anyway, here I have this 250 watt metal halide bulb, and as you can see, it says on it on the edge, Fusion EDHPIE 250p BPR 17 and the crossed out bin, and CE. And as you can see, yeah, you can vaguely see the metal halide tube, and it's hard to see. It's way too frosted, and yeah, you can vaguely see it through. Oh, you can see it. Yeah, it's a bit like a parcel shape. Yeah. So, and it's got the stainless steel Edison 40 screw cap. On the bottom, it's like ceramic concrete and everything. So, anyway, guys, I'm going to get it into the socket now. So, right. Does make a right rattling noise, but it's going down nice and tightly now. Right. It's fitted in tight, nice and tightly now. It's fitted in like so. So anyway, guys, I'm going to turn off this this big side lamp now. So right, that's it now. The big side lamp's gone out now. So onto the 250 watt metal halide light bulb, everybody, the Fusion lamp. So anyway, guys, ready everybody? After 3, 1, 2, 3. Wow. And that's makes a right thudding noise, and it comes up like a halogen bulb, and as you can see, it shines very peachy colour, but it's changing a lot of different colours. Now that's what I love about the metal halide bulb. But so as you can see, it's changing into white and everything. Yeah. So, and as you can see, it's starting to get a bit brighter, and brighter. Yeah. And it's and as you can see, it's holding a bit closer. Oh yeah, it's a little bit of a blue colour. See the gas right in the middle of this metal halide arc tube and everything. Yeah. So, and you can hear, and you definitely can hear the ballast humming, but it's just fully oh yeah, it's brightening up very quickly now. It shines very like a very icy blue colour. Yeah, from my eyes. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, very nice ice white colour. But this bulb does have 4500 Kelvin. Yeah, 4500 Kelvin. So, and that means it's like more regular cool white. Yeah. And as I look up around the ceiling, it shines like heaven. That's a very nice white colour. And that's a good bulb to use. I think that's the best bulb to use if I was doing some paint work. Yeah, especially if I was decorating a living room. That's the best light bulb to use, as well as a mercury vapor. Yeah, and as you can see, it looks a bit like an incandescent light bulb on camera, but for my eyes, it shines very nice white. It's like a light coming down from heaven. Yeah, and so sorry, I'm a bit raspy. Anyway, I know I've read those things before, and it says live connections enclosed, isolate supply before opening or removing bulb, caution hot. And it's it was about a year ago. Well, it was 2 years since I've had this lamp wired up, but when I got this the fitting itself from eBay, it already got the ballast igniter and control gear and the fitting all built in one big kit. And when I picked that lamp up, it's pretty heavy. And how much it weighs, I could easily weigh it sometime in the future. So let's take another look at its carton. I know it says to be used in conjunction with, yeah, it says lamp must be used in an enclosed fixture with a glass front. That's usually to protect the bulb. Fusion. I think Fusion does these high intensity discharge bulbs so good. I love to get a mercury vapor one in this Fusion. I don't know where you can get them, but I don't know. I never thought to ask whether they've got any of them. I don't think they do. I don't know if they ever do self-ballasted mercury bulbs in Fusion lamps. No, I'm not sure if they do or not. I'm not sure if eBay will have any of that, but they always do Bellite ones, but I've got plenty of them Bellite ones. I always like to get one of them high pressure, well, a lot of them in different names of companies, even though I've done those same old type of bulbs before. Does it have anything else at the bottom? No, I don't think it does. It just says on it, Fusion lamps E40, that stands for Edison 40, 250 watts, dual plus minus, oh no, not minus, plus metal halide EDHPIE 250p, www.fusionlamps.co.uk. That's all I've read on it and everything. So anyway, let's take a look at the lamp itself. Let's take a look at it. And as you can see now, it looks very nice and white. It's like very nice snow white. Yeah, and that's another one of them elliptical shape metal halide bulb I've got in frosted white. I love to get a clear one in elliptical shape, but the ones that are clear that I've got are all tubular ones. I love to get elliptical shape one as a clear one. I love to get a high pressure sodium one as a clear one. But the ones in elliptical shape, they're hard to get in the UK. I don't know why, but I get an elliptical shape one in frosted. But I love to get an elliptical shape one in a clear one. Yeah, and it's lit my nice breakfast tea table, nice and bright. You see all my fruit and everything look all nice and colourful. So as you can see and everything. Let's look at it closely just before I switch it out. And let's look at it over this way. So as you can see, oh, I can smell the heat from the bulb. Can you see all through it? No, I don't think you can, but you can see the arc tube through that way, and it looks like halogen, because I think this type of bulb is more related to halogen, because you know when you turn it off it fades away like halogen, so it has got this like halogen mechanism inside and everything. Yeah, so, and it's nice and bright now at 250 watts and everything, so, and it's shining nice and bright like a big bright star and like Venus and everything. So, anyway guys, the metal halide bulb has reached its full brightness at 250 watts bright and everything. So, anyway guys, the metal halide bulb's going to go out now. So as you can see now, it's fully, it's gone out now, but it's illuminating, but it's fading away now. It's like, that fades away way more quickly than the high pressure sodium bulb. So all that's doing now is waving goodbye. So, anyway, it's fully gone out now, it's blacked out. So anyway, the big side lamp comes back on now. So, right, that's it now. The side lamp's back on now, everybody. So anyway, guys, this is a video of the Fusion 250 watt metal halide light bulb, everybody. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So please comment, rate, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, everybody.